What are the rain clouds? It's raining in India. Okay, Srimanta,
Yeah.
it's raining in India. Okay. Here also we had rain. When I was returning in the morning, thank God it was drizzling slightly, but I reached home. I reached home okay. They did not come down for a heavy shower. And morning when I went to buy the pandesal, it had rained already.
Mm-hmm.
And it was just a slight drizzle. So again, I was lucky. I didn't get wet.
Mm. Yeah. I wonder why Ren is not here. I am wondering why Ren is not here. So were you able to go to CK?
No, I didn't go to CK today. I didn't go
Oo, udong.
because yeah.
Yes, Cody, that's udong. It's a noodle called udong.
But I think tomorrow we'll meet.
Okay.
Let's see. Yeah, because Sunday I'm going early morning, right? So tomorrow we'll meet.
Mm-hmm.
Because I've come so far, so might as well meet and go.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So I hope you will be able to have your mobile number.
Yeah, because I have to give her the chip, na?
Mm. You can still use that. I think you can still use that. I think, but
But
you have
I don't
to
know.
have it on the
I thought
roaming.
roaming, yeah, I don't know. I'll have to have roaming and then I'll have to keep topping it up now whenever I want. I don't know.
Yeah, but you have to what that automatically or set it as roaming forever because you will not know when you are coming back to the Philippines. Because once it's gone, it's gone.
Hmm.
Mm-hmm. You have to set it on roaming
Yeah.
before you left the what that the chip must be on roaming,
Hmm.
and you can have it loaded. Make sure it's always loaded so that it will not expire. So 1 hour and 4 minutes. You have 1 hour and 4 minutes now.
Mm-hmm. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do.
Sumuka sa kung kailan.
It's showing 11 likes.
Mm-hmm.
Do, do,
Now five
do,
people in
do,
the
do,
house.
do. 5 people, yeah. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do.